some awesome animals in this giant blue Lego brick. Orange fish. Gray elephant. Red owl. Green grasshopper. Brown bald eagle. Blue fox. Gray rhinoceros. Purple hippo. Blue shark. Brown monkey. Blue beetle. Red, yellow, and black snake. Red ant. Blue narwhal. Green frog. White polar bear. Yellow duck. Gray gorilla. Pink piggy. Orange fish. Gray elephant. Red owl. Green grasshopper. Brown bald eagle. Blue fox. Gray rhinoceros. Purple hippo. Blue shark. Brown monkey. Blue beetle. Red, yellow, and black snake. Red ant. Blue narwhal. Green frog. White polar bear. Yellow duck. Gray gorilla. Pink piggy. Thanks for learning animals with us in this giant Lego brick. Make sure to subscribe, click that like button, and check out any of these fun learning videos.